Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. My name is Anissa Ishahani binti Ahmad Rizwan. I'll be the one of the presenters today. As you can see on the screen, we will be talking about two banks, which is Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia and M-Bank Islamic Berhad Malaysia. Standard Chartered Bank is a financial institution that provides services as a commercial bank. It has operations and offerings a range of traditional banking services as opposed to investment banking services. As a part of the Standard Chartered Group, which has a rich legacy since 1969 when its first branch was established in Malaysia, the bank has grown rapidly in line with the country's economic development. Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia's main roles are to accept deposits, provide business loans and issue personal loans. It caters to the banking needs of individuals and businesses, including small enterprises. It also ensures the liquidity of funds in the economy, allowing consumers and businesses to deposit their savings safely and access credit when needed. Although Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia has an investment banking division that provides services such as corporate financial advice, the bank's specific operations in the Malaysia context are intertwined in commercial banking. This includes providing day-to-day banking operations, internet banking services, and services targeted towards the wealth management and well-being of the consumer market. Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia also plays a role in aligning the country's vision to become a country with more income by engaging in various CSR activities, thereby contributing to steady growth. As a commercial bank, it is in line with the regulatory compliance set by Bank Negara Malaysia, ensuring that it maintains liquidity ratios and complies with regulations to safeguard the interests of its depositors and shareholders. In short, Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia is increasingly expanding the commercial banking sector, playing an important role in the individual and business finance, as well as contributing to the wider Malaysian economic well-being. So this is for Board of Directors in Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia. We have Datuk Von Charles as Independent Non-Executive Chairman, and Mr. Abrar Alam Anwar as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. We have also Datuk Ishak bin Imam Abbas, Datuk Seri Dr. Michael Yam Kong Choi, and Mr. Muhammad Rashid bin Muhammad Yusof as Independent Non-Executive Directors. And lastly, we have Mrs. Lai Pei Si as Non-Independent Non-Executive Director.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Shafina Fika binti Sofian and my matrix number is 075891 and I will be presenting about main management team. First of all, I will talk about the Chief Executive Officer, which is his name is Mark Junian. I will talk about his background. Mark Junian studied at University of Bradford, taking a bachelor's degree in business, and then the Imperial College of London. He took a master's degree. He was a managing director, head of sponsor coverage agent for 3 years during 2014 until 2016. He was a managing director and head of global banking CIB Malaysia for 3 years and 8 months, and then he became a managing director and head of client coverage CCIB Malaysia for 2 years, and then he is now a chief executive officer at Standard Chartered Bank. And then his responsibilities, Mak Junian leads the CCIB division, focusing on providing banking solutions to corporate and institutional clients in Malaysia. Now I will talk about Irene Tan, which is the Chief Operating Officer for the Standard Chartered Bank. Irene Tan is a seasoned professional with extensive experience in banking operations and management. She has been with Standard Chartered Bank for several years, holding various leadership roles within the organization. Her responsibilities as the Chief Operating Officer of Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia are intended to oversees the bank's day-to-day operational function. Her role involves ensuring operational efficiency, driving process improvement, and managing the overall operational risk. She plays a crucial part in the bank's strategy, implementation, and operational excellence. And now we have Mabel Lau Kit Cheng as a Chief Financial Officer. Mabel Lau Kit Cheng studied at HKUST Business School in Finance and the London School of Economics and Political Science (LSE). She has been a senior dealer in HSBC for almost 8 years, executive director in UBS for almost 7 years, manager directing in LGT Investment Management for 5 years, and lastly as Chief Financial Officer in Standard Chartered Bank until now. Her responsibility as the Chief Financial Officer is Mabel Lau Kit Cheng manage the bank overall finance related to functions including financial reporting and controls, business performance, asset and liability management, technical advisory, guidance, tax compliance, treasure, and regulatory reporting matters. I will talk about Namita Sharma, which is the head of human resource in Standard Chartered Bank. Namita Sharma was studied in RVCE, Bangalore, India, with a Bachelor of Engineering, Electronics, and Communication Engineering. After that, she took a National Institute of Design and Research Fellow PhD equivalent in Consumer Behavior. In Gujarat University, SLIMS, she took a Master of Business Administration. She has been a head of HR and senior VP for corporate, commercial, and institutional banking, which is CCIB, for almost 5 years now. Her responsibility is the head of HR. The HR manager is responsible for ensuring the day-to-day HR functions are performed in accordance with RI policies and procedures and HR best practice, and to provide direct advice and guidance to program managers and staff on HR policies and procedures. She will be in charge of implementation of the annual HR objectives and the other HR projects. The HRM will also supervise the senior HR officer, and assistant to ensure they carry out their responsibilities efficiently and effectively. And now we have Amirali Zainal as the marketing manager of Standard Chartered Bank. Amirali Zainal studied at Jerudong International School and took a GCE A levels. He even has a Bachelor of Science, Aerospace, Aeronautical, and Astronautical Engineering at West Virginia University. He was a technical sales engineer for 5 months, a technical service trainee for 4 months, a junior risk analyst for 11 months, a sales and marketing manager for 10 months, and now he's a full-time marketing manager at Standard Chartered Bank in Kuala Lumpur. His responsibility as the marketing manager is he's responsible in driving and delivering marketing communication plans and strategies for the wealth and retail banking business, ensuring consistency and alignment with retail business agendas. He collaborates closely with the regional retail marketing team to identify opportunities and bring expertise and creativity at both strategic and execution level while working in partnership with agencies to establish the ideal state of digital marketing initiative across Malaysia. Drawing on consumer competitors and research insights is key to formulate quality marketing activities that drive an exceptional client and corporate experience while integrating brand strategies with multi-channel marketing communication strategies to meet campaign objectives. Lastly, we have Samir as the Managing Director and Head Wealth Management of Standard Chartered Bank. Samir studied at Rani Durgavati Vijwa Vidyalava Jalabur and has a Master in Business Administration. He was a team manager, a relationship manager, key account corporate sales in India for a year, and he has been a sales manager, auto OD in Standard Chartered Bank for 2 years and 1 month. And now He's a managing director and head wealth management in Standard Chartered Bank. The head of wealth management position has a number of responsibilities, but first and foremost will be expected to onboard and manage a number of the firm's key clients in order to grow the firm's AUM. This role will also be in charge and have full ownership of the sales team. Their client has some aggressive plans to grow the wealth management division, so the candidate should be able to attract high level talent from their own network to join them in achieving success as part of the same team. In this leadership role, you will set and oversee KPIs and targets, ensuring that all members of the team are striving towards building a high performance environment. And now I will talk about the 10 main shareholders of the Standard Chartered Bank. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 10 main shareholders of Standard Chartered Bank. First of all, we have Temasek Holdings Pte Ltd investment company. The second one, we have Dodge and Cox. The third one is Crowder Investment Management Ltd and the Vanguard Group Incorporated, BlackRock Fund Advisors, and then we have Dover Investment Pte Ltd, BlackRock Investment Management UK Ltd, next Royal London Asset Management Ltd, and then we have Aviva Investors Global Services Ltd, and lastly we have Pizena Investment Management LLC.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rabiatul Izairin binti Jamal Arifin and I will present to you the organization structure of Standard Chartered Bank. The organization structure of Standard Chartered Bank consists of three main divisions, which is wealth management, consumer banking, and marketing. In wealth management, there are various roles focusing on different aspects such as insurance product, investment strategy, wealth advisory, and new business development. The structure includes national heads and product managers, investment advisors, and senior managers overseeing different portfolio and regions. Consumer banking division is responsible for human resources management within the bank's consumer banking sector. These include roles such as head HR and HR relationship manager, and zonal HR is specializing in areas like wealth distribution, high value segments, and local HR function. The marketing divisions oversees marketing strategy and analysis. It includes roles like general manager for service quality, manager for marketing analysis, digital marketing, voice of customer, and various marketing executive. This structure ensures a comprehensive approach to marketing efforts, covering both traditional and digital channels, as well as customer feedback analysis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Manzata Asninda binti Tumairi, matrix number 076027. I'm going to present about banks, departments, and its corresponding function. Standard Chartered is a talented and committed workforce representing 131 nationalities across 53 markets in footprint regions of Asia, Africa, and the Middle East and beyond. They have been in business for over 170 years, so they know the value of nurturing your dreams and over the long term. And they foster diverse and inclusive environment that's free from bias, where everyone can realize their full potential and make a positive contribution. This about Standard Chartered roles. First, relationship managers, a trusted advisor to clients delivering advice and solutions to help clients achieve their financial objectives and meet their investment and banking needs. Second, product manager and architect, the future of our products by bringing engineering and the business as you manage the product's full life cycle from strategic planning to develop and launch. Third, technical solution manager, Fine-tune business relationship and troubleshoot complex engineering problems in this high teach and business role. 4. Client care executive. A client obsessed a brand ambassador who positively engage with clients and maintain a quick, accurate, and world-class service and providing incremental value through sales. 5. Service quality analyst, a process and product expert who strive for efficiency, quality, and accuracy in assessing client interaction to ensure clients are provided with consistent world-class service. 6. Workforce management specialist, assessing, analysis, forecasting, and productivity at an individual and center level to ensure optimal resources management and superior client service standard. 7. Insurance specialists protect, prevent, accumulate customer wealth by providing sound and advice and insurance solution. 8. Universal banker provide a differentiated relationship management experience for our clients through the provision of outstanding banking service. 9. Client service manager, day-to-day brand operation manager with in-depth knowledge of our products, processes, and procedures, providing outstanding client experience and personalized banking support. 10. Data analysis, support business, financial, and risk partners through gathering, cleaning, and interpreting data sets to provide meaningful and actionable insight. And 11, the last one, data scientists, analyze, process, prepare, and model data to support risk management, processes, client value proposition, and business strategy outcomes. Their business is structured into client and customer segment and business support function. These are about each team below, which is client and customer teams. Their main role is for corporate and investment banking and also wealth and retail banking. For more than 700 years, they have been providing world-class financial, investment, treasury, and strategic advisory service to their clients. They have supported their growth where and when it matters a lot. For wealth and banking, this team provides clients with superior investment advice, products, and service to help build, manage, and protect their wealth. They use their local knowledge and global reach to recommend personalized solutions and keeping ahead of industry leading sources and debates. Standard Chartered also have business support function team. The first one is Corporate Affairs Brand and Marketing (CAPM). Second, Conduct Financial Crime and Compliance (CFCC). Third, Global Business Service (GPS). Fourth, Group CFO. 5, Group Internal Audit (GIA). 6, Human Resources (HR). 7, Legal. 8, Transformation, Technology and Operation (TTO). 9, Risk, and 10, SC Venture.
Next is Standard Chartered Bank products and offer service. First is personal banking. Personal banking is referred to the banking services provided to individual customers for their personal financial needs. Personal banking aims to cater to the everyday financial requirement of individuals and helping them manage their money, save, borrow, and conduct transactions efficiently. The example of personal banking is saving. Saving is various options with competitive interest rate. The second is current account. Current account is flexibility for everyday banking transaction. And third is fixed deposit, is secure investment option with attractive rate. Next is personal loans. Personal loan tailor financing solution for various needs. And next is mortgage. Mortgage is home financing with competitive rates. And the next is credit and debit card, convenient access to credits and seamless transaction. And lastly is online and mobile digital. Online and mobile banking. It's a digital platform for easy account management. Second is corporate banking. Corporate banking is focusing on providing financial service and solution to businesses, corporations, and other larger institutions. Corporate banking service may include the aim of corporate banking is to support the financial operation, growth, and strategic initiative of business by providing them with access to various banking products and financing options and advisory service. The example is corporate account. Corporate account tailor solution for efficient financial management. Second is trade finance. Trade finance is solution for international trade transaction. And the next is cash management, optimizing cash flow and working capital. And next is treasury service, access to a wide range of treasury products. And next is corporate loans. Corporate loan financing solution for working capital and projects. And capital markets to advisory and underwriting service for fundraising. Third is wealth management. Wealth management involves the professional management of an individual or family's financial assets and investment to acquire specific financial goals and objectives. Wealth management services are typically offered by banks, investment firms, or specialized wealth management firms. Wealth managers work closely with clients to understand their financial situation, risk tolerance, and objectives, and then develop personalized strategy to grow and protect their wealth over the long term. The example is private banking. Private banking, personalized banking and investment with clients to understand their financial situation, risk tolerance, and objectives, and then develop personalized strategy to grow and protect their wealth over the long term. The example is private banking. Private banking, personalized banking and investment service. And next is wealth advisory. A wealth advisory is to customize investment strategy. And next is portfolio management. It's to professional management for investment portfolios. And next is trust service. Trust service is to comprehensive estate planning solutions. The fourth is Islamic banking. Islamic banking operates in accordance with Sharia principle which prohibits the payment or acceptance of interest, which is riba, and then involvement in certain industries such as alcohol, gambling, and tobacco. Instead of interest, Islamic banks offer Sharia-compliant financial products and services that adhere to Islamic law. These may include Islamic saving accounts, Islamic financing based on profit sharing or asset-backed principle, Islamic investment products such as sukuk or Islamic bonds, and Islamic wealth management solution. The aim is to provide financial services that are in line with Islamic ethics and principles. The example is savings and financing. Saving and financing is Sharia complement banking solution. And next is Islamic investment, access to various Sharia compliant investment products. And lastly is Islamic wealth management. Islamic wealth management is Sharia compliant wealth management solution. Lastly is digital banking. Digital banking refers to the use of digital channels such as online platform and mobile application to deliver banking service and conduct financial transactions. Digital banking allows customers to perform various banking activities remotely without the need to visit physical bank branches, and service offered through digital banking platforms typically include account management, fund transfer, bill payments, loan application, and access to financial information. And digital banking provides convenience, accessibility, and flexibility to customers, enabling them to manage their finance anytime and anywhere. The example is online and mobile banking. Online and mobile banking is a digital platform for convenience banking. Thank you.
Hello, and I'm Ziad. I will talk about 4 major sources and uses of funds for the past 3 years. for Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered has seen changes in its sources of funds over recent years. Customer deposits have shown consistent growth with a noticeable increase each year. Conversely, cash and short-term funds have seen a significant decline over the same period. Borrowings, on the other hand, have risen substantially, particularly from 2021 to 2023. Shareholders' equity has remained relatively stable, with a slightly fluctuations before increasing again in 2023. These trends highlight the dynamic nature of the bank's funding structure. On the other hand, allocation of funds has shown distinct patterns over the past 3 years. The amount redirected towards loans, advances, and financing has seen a gradual increase annually. In contrast, investments in securities have displayed variability, decreasing initially before stabilizing in 2023. Operating expenses have risen steadily each year, reflecting the bank's ongoing operational commitments. Dividends paid out exhibited a significant increase from 2022 to 2023 after a modest distribution in 2021. These figures illustrate the bank's strategic deployment of funds across its various operational.
For fees and charge imports, these are the list. Current account, they had conventional current account, basic current account, M2 account, preferred M account, super salary account, just one current account, current account plus, e-saver, basic saving, account, master saving, passbook, master saving statement saving account, power pay, my dream account, senior saving account, young savers account, my dream account, and just one saving account, privileged saving accounts, and the last one, silver.
So next, I will be talking about background in Mbank Islamic Berhad Malaysia. Mbank Islamic Berhad is a subsidiary of MMD Holdings Berhad and is an integral part of the Mbank banking group. This institution is known for offering a full range of comprehensive Islamic banking products and services to customers in Malaysia and act as a commercial bank that follows Sharia principles, from basic financing such as housing financing, car financing, and personal loans to saving products such as current and term accounts. Mbank Islamic aims to meet the financial needs of a wide range of customers, from individuals to large companies. Based on the Sharia compliance framework, Mbank Islamic also presents Sharia compliant investment opportunities, including fund and asset management. This makes Mbank Islamic not only a commercial bank but also shows its characteristic as an investment bank that complies with the provisions of Islamic law. The development of Mbank Islamic has seen the bank able to compete in the increasingly dynamic and diverse Malaysian Islamic banking industry. By applying operational excellence and emphasizing strong corporate governance, Mbank Islamic strives to improve its market position while maintaining Islamic values in every business segment. The development of the Islamic banking sector in Malaysia has also gone through several decisive phases, and Mbank Islamic has participated in this evolution. From the establishment of Islamic financial institutions in the early 1960s to the conventional acceptance of banks to offer Islamic products and services in later years, as well as participation in the creation of Islamic subsidiaries and the international integration of the Islamic banking system, Mbank Islamic has been part of a landscape that continues to develop. So, this is the Board of Directors in Mbank Islamic Berhad Malaysia. We have Yang Bahagia Datuk Sri Abdul Hamidi Abdul Hafiz as an independent non-executive chairman and Encik Ikwan Mongzani Muhammad as Chief Executive Officer. Next, we have Hajjah Rosma Ismail, Puan Farina Fariqullah Khan, and Dr. Muhammad Nordin Muhammad Zain as an independent non-executive directors. Lastly, we have also Encik Azlan Baki Abdullah and Mr. K. V. Tiatara, anak lelaki V. Karunakaran, as non-independent non-executive directors.
I'm gonna talk about the main management team of Mbank Islamic Bank. First of all, I'm gonna talk about Encik Ikhwan Mohzani Muhammad, which is the Chief Executive Officer for the M-Bank Islamic Bank. He holds a bachelor's and master's degrees in economics from the University of Cambridge, United Kingdom. He is a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales, ICAEW, a chartered accountant with the Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA, and a chartered banker with the Asian Institute of Chartered Bankers, AICB. Encik Ikhwan has almost 20 years of corporate and financial services experience. He started his career in London and subsequently joined the corporate advisory practice in Kuala Lumpur. His responsibilities as the CEO, Ikhwan Mozani is responsible for the overall leadership, strategic direction, and growth of M-Bank Islamic, ensuring the bank's operation align with Sharia principles. And now we have Haji Muhammad Sabirin Haji Abdul Rahman as the head of retail banking. Haji Muhammad Sabirin Haji Abdul Rahman has extensive experience in the banking industry, particularly in retail banking. Over the years, he has held various leadership roles, contributing significantly to the development and growth of retail banking services. As the head of retail banking at M-Bank Islamic, Haji Muhammad Sabirin is responsible for overseeing the bank's retail banking operations. This includes managing the development and delivery of retail banking products and services, ensuring they meet the needs of individual customers while adhering to Sharia principles. His role involves strategizing and implementing initiatives to enhance customer experience, drive business growth, and maintains the bank's competitive edge in the market. The third one is Harizal Zakaria, Head of Wholesale Banking and Business Banking. Harizal Zakaria has a strong background in banking with significant experience in both wholesale and business banking. Over the years, he has held various leadership positions within the financial sector, focusing on delivering comprehensive banking solutions to corporate and business clients. As the head of wholesale banking and business banking at M-Bank Islamic, Harizal Zakaria is responsible for overseeing the bank's wholesale and business banking operation. This includes developing and managing relationships with corporate clients, providing tailored banking solutions to meet their financial needs, and driving strategic initiatives to support business growth. This role also involves ensuring that all banking products and services comply with Sharia principles, while enhancing the bank's market presence and competitive positioning in the corporate and banking and business banking sectors. And now we have Aida Mansur as the head of Sharia Risk Management. Aida Mansur studied at Ganela College and has a bachelor's degree in accounting. She has experience in Maybank in Risk Management International, and then in M-Bank Group, she is the head of Sharia Risk Management. As the head of Sharia Risk Management, she conducts in horizontal surveillance of Islamic financial institutions to identify, assess, and proactively manage emerging Sharia risks that may affect institutional safety and soundness and system-wide stability. And then Wan Sherliza Wan Ahmad Sepwan, Head of Governance Performance Management. Wan Sherliza Wan Ahmad Sepwan studied at University of Kent, graduating with Economics with Computing. She has been a Vice President at M-Bank Islamic Berhad since December 2015. She has lead and managed effective and efficient digital and ICT portfolio governance, portfolio demand management and performance, including compliance and assurance reviews, reporting and associated activities to maximize value for money, minimize risk, ensure compliance, and inform and enable executive decision making against business strategy. Lastly, we have Raizal Amiruddin as the head of Sharia Management. Raizal Amiruddin studied at Royal Military College and then at Washington State University with Bachelor of Business Administration, BBA, Business Management and Human Resource Management. He took a Master of Business Administration in International Islamic University, Malaysia. He got a certification in Sharia Studies in University of Malaya. He became an executive banker and professional banker in Asian Institute of Chartered Bankers. He has worked in Ministry of Domestic Trade and Consumer Affairs as an assistant director officer in Maybank, executive in Kuwait Finance House, and unit trust consultant in Public Mutual Berhad. And now he has been in AmBank for 16 years and 10 months. His responsibilities as the head of Sharia management is approving the products, the documents, records, contracts, and correspondence, review contract formulas, documents, and existing applications in the bank to consider the extent of compliance with Islamic law. I will talk about the 10 main shareholders of MBank Islamic Bank. So as you can see, this is the 10 main shareholders of MBank Islamic Bank. We have, first of all, we have ANZ Funds Pty Limited. The second one is Citigroup Nominis Tempatan SDN BHD Employees Provident Fund Board. Corp Group Berhad, Simsec Nominis Tempatan SDN BHD Pledge Securities Account for Corp Group Berhad EDG. CIMB Group Nominis Tempatan SDN BHD Pledge Securities Account for Corp Group Berhad AGBCBC2. And then CIMB Group Nominis Tempatan STN BHD CIMB Bank Berhad EDP2. And then Amanah Raya Trustees Berhad Amanah Saham Malaysia 2 Wawasan. And Amanah Raya Trustees Berhad Amanah Saham Bumi Putra. And then CGS CIMB Nominis Tempatan SDN BHD Pledge Securities Account for Merit Alpha SDN BHD. The last one is Chartaban Nominis Tempatan SDN BHD PAMB for Pooling Equity Fund.
I will go through the organization structure of MBank Islamic Berhad, highlighting the key role and function that drive our operation and strategic direction. At the top of our hierarchy is the chairman of the board. The role of chairman of the board is to oversee the overall operation and governance of the bank, and set strategic goals and direction for the organization. It functions to provide leadership and guidance to the board of directors and ensure adherence to regulatory requirements and corporate governance standards, reporting to the chairman. And we have Chief Executive Officer, which is CEO. The role is to lead the day-to-day management and operation of the bank. It implements strategic initiatives approved by the board. It functions to report to the board of directors on operational performance and strategic direction, and collaborate with functional heads to achieve organized. Under the CEO, we have several key function heads, which is retail banking. Retail banking rules is to manage retail banking operation and customer relationship. Its function to develop and implement strategy to enhance retail banking service and products. Second is wholesale banking and business banking. The role is to oversee banking service for corporate clients and SMEs. Its function to facilitate financing and banking solution tailored to business needs. Third is finance. Its role to manage financial reporting, budgeting, and treasury function. Function is to ensure financial stability, liquidity, and regulatory compliance. Fourth is risk management. It rules to identify, assess, and manage risk across the bank operation. Its function to implement risk management policies and frameworks to safeguard the bank's assets and reputation. And next is Sharia management. Its role to ensure compliance and Sharia principle in banking operation. It functions to advise on Sharia compliance method and reviews product and service to ensure adherence to Islamic finance principle. Lastly, we have Sharia Committee. Sharia Committee role act as advisory body of Sharia compliance matters and review and provides guidance on Islamic finance products and service. Its function to ensure that all banking activity align with Sharia principle and support the bank in maintaining its reputation as a Sharia compliant financial institution.
MBank Group offers Islamic banking, Islamic funds management, family takaful, and Islamic capital market solutions to the customers. MBank Islamic Berhad is the Islamic banking arms of MBank Group and offers a comprehensive range of Sharia, compliant retail and non-retail banking products and services, including investment, treasury, and trade solution. MBANK's investment provide Islamic funds management solution, while family takaful products are offered by MMIT Life Takaful Berhad. This is their role. Board of Directors (BOD). Members of Board of Directors shall understand their roles and responsibility in managing bribery and corruption risk faced by the bank. Second, senior management. Senior management is accountable for implementation and management of the ABCP compliance program in accordance with policies and procedures established by the board, requires of the law, regulation, guidelines, and the industry standards and best practice. Group Chief Compliance Officer (GCCO), the appointed person who is the central point of authority on compliance matters and responsible for the management of compliance risks in the bank. The next one, Business Operational Controls (BOC). Officer for the team, unit, or line of business provide guidance to business support unit regarding compliance with ABCP. Group Internal Audit. Ensure that independent audits are conducted to check and test the effectiveness of the ABCP procedures and control. Group Human Resources. Group Human Resources must have in place screening procedure which shall apply when hiring potential employees and appointing officers and throughout the course of employees. All employees are to be aware of and comply with the requirements the bank has laid down as well as the requirements of this policy. An employee may be held personally liable for any failure to observe the ABCP requirements.
MBank Islamic Berhad is leading provider of Islamic banking product and service in Malaysia. Our offerings are rooted in Islamic principles catering to the financial needs of individuals and businesses while adhering the ethical standard. First is Islamic financial solution. MBank Islamic Berhad offers a comprehensive range of Islamic banking products and services tailored to meet the needs of our customers. These include Islamic financing facility, deposit products, and wealth management solutions that comply with Sharia principles. Second is Islamic investment product. We provide innovative Islamic investment products such as equity, sukuk, and unit trust. These products allow our clients to earn investment income while adhering to Sharia guidelines. Third is Islamic takaful product. MBank Islamic Berhad offers Islamic takaful products for financial protection. This includes family takaful and general takaful, providing coverage based on mutual cooperation and shared risk. Next is electronic banking service. We provide convenient electronic banking service including online and mobile banking platform. Our digital solution ensure easy access to accounts and seamless banking transactions for our customers. Next is Sharia Advisory and Consulting. MBank Islamic Berhad offers Sharia Advisory and Consulting service. Our Sharia advisors and financial consultants provide their advice on financial strategies aligned with Islamic principles, meeting individual customer needs. Next, adherence to Sharia standards. Ensuring compliance with Sharia standards is central to everything we do. Our commitment ensures that all products and services offered by MBank Islamic Berhad uphold the value and belief of our customers.
Now I'm going to talk about MBank Islamic, 4 major sources and uses of funds for the past 3 years. MBank Islamic has experienced noticeable changes in its sources of funds over the past 3 years. Customer deposits have consistently increased, reflecting a growing confidence in the bank among depositors. Investment income has also shown robust growth every year, indicating successful investment strategies. Borrowings have risen gradually, underscoring the bank's strategic use of external funds to support its operations and expansions. Shareholders' equity has seen steady growth with modest increases year on year, highlighting investor confidence and capital strength. These sources collectively contribute to AmBank Islamic's funding base, supporting its operational and strategic initiatives. Now, for the AmBank Islamic's allocation of funds for various purposes has evolved over the past 3 years. Investments in associates and joint ventures have shown a significant increase annually, reflecting the bank's expanding strategic partnerships. Investment in securities has also grown consistently, indicating a proactive approach to managing its asset portfolio. Operating expenses have fluctuated slightly, with a slight decrease from 2021 to 2022, followed by a modest increase in 2023. Dividend payment have varied with notable increases.
For AmBank Islamic Berhad, fees and charge imposed. First, they have deposit for basic savings account and Wafi saving account, Iflat saving account, everyday account for family first solution, special savings account, savers gang account, basic card account, company card account, term deposit, true savers account, true transit account, and stock current account. Investment, or they have Hamli investment account, property link investment accounting. For financing, they have personal financing and term financing secured by ASB. More than that, they have M Money Line Facility, auto financing MTQ, home and property financing, small and medium enterprise financing facilities, late payment charge for Islamic financing facilities, cash line facility, SME term financing cards. For bank services, they have Tabung Haji, online, depositing of coins, charging of coins, foreign check for collection, interbank giro, standing instruction, auto pay, automatic teller machine, ATM, remittance instrument, and the last one, retrieval charge for physical document.
By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding and analysis of two banks that we have already mentioned, which is Standard Chartered Bank Malaysia and AmBank Islamic Berhad Malaysia. That's all from us. Thank you.